It's Yes Delight Multimedia YouTube channel ki an DJ Silva. Kidong TikTok bene Delight Podcast enye yobachel amano kar kare keliwu the Luo Goldie Music. Iluo Gold Music pol kar ngoma waneno legendary artist luwe magukelo alora industry me music kumalume Uganda. Luwe maguwerwe mekuch luwe maguwerwe muguru chwindano luwe maguwero naga magu yele wero alora tie ikumalo me Uganda. Kera kanyi wangchawa man atie ki the one and only aka the only mulema with the swag aka BSG Labon kimu kenero mu bertie mano gware abi winyu kitung bot en ye wera jolo mera foy mate
afoy retwan afoy
yes a jolly delight multimedia the Luo podcast. Ameti nyute bot ngatatika nanwa kunge angama atie kede wangchawa man.
Mana ye Dennis Labon nying makenywala kere ma kar makenywala kemia kuman ba nying man mi we man pol down nge ni BSG Labon, the only mulema with the baddest swag.
Kama natie korne eno. Now, BSG Labon aki kwene charo ti kwene.
Wow.
Yes. You see, the Dano maru penyo, aki kwene.
Dano, angera polkar pamar waje ke Dano kama aye, but from this
at least this time
at this moment,
yes.
Chidong kere ni ngawa ngawa.
Wang me waju, yes.
Ana aki anaga.
Okay.
And kaka logolum.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
A logolum did. A logolum did.
Ini ake a logolum atung kwene ni. Kenka di watch it did. Manchi no yeti mongweke.
A logolum ye did.
Yes.
But ana ake a logolum mati dianaga.
Okay.
Ma ditani. Ake a logolum mati dianaga. And ma ditani. Gangwati gok.
Okay.
And would naga would to.
Wow. Yes, eno again iwinyu kikore eno BSG Labon what anaga. Now BSG Labon coming back to music, kawadogi music. Karia ni me music chake imwaga mene.
Well, Uchake 2013. I think that was the first time.
Okay.
Ma adonyo kere studio. Iromo chako music earlier than that. Pian joke anywhere we bathroom, where we dog deck. Joke anywhere we kirika regu. Joke anywhere we poro.
Yes.
Joke anywhere di fu what way. Joke anywhere tika kayu kabi belgi ano. Kageti por guana kwana gi what way. Si way chake kamoy kan. Bena chawa ne pe.
Okay.
But donyo na yes. Donyo na mana donyo studio donyo. It 2003.
Okay.
2003. Yeah.
My recording way. Which was that song? My recording my cello.
My first song was called Anenoko. Yeah.
Anenoko.
Yeah. Followed by Praise the Lord. I think I recorded them at the same time. I recording in ikine chabera cello. But though I'm releasing Anenoko, then again it up releasing Praise the Lord. Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
That was my first.
Monkey Studio man.
That studio was called True Vine.
True Vine. Okay.
And then later it changed to 3-in-1.
3-in-1.
Yeah. Because during the time when I released Anenoko, it was still True Vine Studio. It was a studio full of gospel singers. Gospel singers no doing yada. But Anenoko studio was the best for me. So
okay.
Anyway, I cherry. Oberoi Market Street. Market Street. Kaingeo Tourist Hotel within Kampala.
Yes.
So it was a long tourist hotel.
Yes.
Then Ingeye wakaket in the same building iwiye malo kono. Yes.
Okay.
That's where True Vine was.
Yes, itika neno Delight Multimedia, Delight Podcast ke and DJ Silva, yubwa me the Luo Gold Music. Series netika waranyim, watika kele legends mano good kela laga kidme music. Atika ne we machon chani, pien we enoni okelo laga maduong full we routine, watie kilo we ma wananogi, watie kilo we ma tin ke charo por wegi, of course nebi noni ajami maduong manotie mano mere ineni e comparing. Now BSG la bon studio iwachi chao katiki where yo. Before that, anga where your inspiration me music totally binu kikwene, because something must have inspired you. Ginumo either some artist. Yes. One watiki gi mama chao. Yeah.
Me loga daba music mamega uchake kit mama Pola dano pego bo tamani no ramo chake kumeno. Baro chake karama ana bino mano awano.
Okay.
E piane karama no atie mwaka bungwen. Moñ pa konyo bi maka. Che atemo ikina kenyo no parte mi ero kelu lokene kama leng actual.
I know.
But no awano ma moñ pa koñ gu chelu tiana tung achuch piano na tia ngwech na tia ngwech story ne bo
Sorry ne bo ata ya pote karamone temo nywa kuna samu
story ne bo so mak chelu tiana che karo through at yat piana beri at yat nan chalo maromo due choka bichel piani kara chano yat pe obere ka chang mere chalo diang ma lutuo duong mo wa doctor ke kan pe ramo tiji kum lutuo weng, but by God's mercy somehow somewhere kony mo mateno ma bere ka nongo ne ke oriat olo we ka gaining ma ano power afonyo wara fonya ma fonyo wate kan nan chalo tayara cha chok duwe ye bungwen almost a year nan po bero yot total bien ko ma bero magor da a goj mo ma ke goya ke ngo ke weng and then choa eni bien mare cha ju chelu choa dong po tiyo matwal so daktari no geti waya gete mo lago bat kar cha pera mo ngolo karuma karuma no yo karuma ke kan kuno no la kwena ke dong luenye ma peri pada ngeu jo mena ma do mena eno karuma no pe ngole chikiet ma achang ke ro beru ke ja paruba chidong ma dugo gang tam duong ke dong kita neno no lutiam lu war kere ke tuko kere ke gweyo dilu ite mo kar kana cher ka temo dilu ka gweyo ne wabot ga gweyo ke chia ay gweyo chia da ka kere temo yeme pian pero gweyo dilu ke chi da de gweyo ke tian so chap kere gweyo lwera ada ka kere temo yeme la ling so chap kene en ke ni ke we ka cha mere we Achako mere we en kumano. Achako mere we en kumano mod. So pon la we mo ma berka win chala neno ko la lam bogalam en we ma composing chon. Agwa ke me da gwa we. Gwa we. Puti obero mere atiko mere wero ne keri mati school a wero pian ikara eno ni ma dong yo pengchat yape manonok are a chero Kampala chako kwan ke kuno so ma chako kwan kuno ber mega mete an ke we na tata dongo deski ngongo chako kane beno ki suspending ano ke school bigo wachi man ina kili wa Kampala ki wa ki suspending in lo ke ne ra otin lo ke in no timini ning na tena wa Kampala inti teme ko mana wa ko chao kana me no be wa pa me ra da po no ate dongo des no ate dongo des ati we so there was that bit of trauma mo be ka yela a lot makere no ngaro lo ke mo be ke yo yor neno keri ngaro utimo gi monyo lo marach ki nyanyo go beru so arrogant bora kejo speed so trauma no yela then kate ki jo maga doctor twal I would even faint okay chunya licho atam licha chungo chunya gemo no chunya chero gemo la kere mane so ka kijo maga da ko kare kom gemo chunya gemo ko nyoka ne no ngara moti ituo mo ma liet no ti pain so chunya gemo then gine eno ni sometimes we ka biru ka composing we mo so kai winyu we ne they were very strong meaning chalo kai winyu nene chono wa worola ila wi mantin dong wa worola kula wi lwenyo we ko kaka wa do lam we ko tin de nene wa de nu chan so bien America nena relating ko mo ma chon chani ko mo ma chon chani mauno wa gwe dilu ko cher wa le ngape wi mo yeme wa rien wa cher di porro wa rien wa cher di liek ka chuli mo ngeyo liek wa rien wa cher di liek wa kine wa yenyo cheyu wa yenyo bolo ngo so America relating ko eno ni kidong America neno ke ko mano dong tie eno mano wano tie eno ma cher school jare logale mono ke ken kidong chamo kane winyini o ngaramo ti yot yat winyini o ngaramo kara chon chane no loka tu twal no pe wano winyi me $1 winya $1 winyi loka nyaj mabe lutier no pe ngeo gide no pe ngeo no pe wa ngeo be lutier no pe ngeo loka $1 pe ngeo loka nyaj ma ene tu ma wana bere winyene winyi me ni ngaramo ni wieti ka bar ke mat pi no no ka ko ti winyi kumini ti ni winyi ko mana lor wa marata raj so tu mo mano wano winyi chon cha to twal mo wano teno no pe no pe so o ka mo ma ane ko ma neno ni umira composing ki mo ka kenyo in that aspect o wa winyi tamano atamu too deep o wa ka winyi nene chon wa ludi ne mero lo ni nene chono wa worola ila wich mantin dong wa worola kula wich lwenyo weko kaka wa do lam weko tinde nena wa denu chan kai wenyo loka poka pakaka now biana ber ka neno a winyo ni olak a winyo ni kono ngo a winyo ni kona nyanya go ber ka winyo kaka mo peri so wa nen chalo a poka nen chalo tie gino wa ana ber ka lude ne ka kenyo ni wa ber ka neno ni nen chala poka tie piano way joni en kona nyanya kono lo kona nga ka gidano chipi ngo dano pe ripe ka kenyu ngo we ko pe ripe lo ka ngo ano be pa ngeo pe lo ka pe tian lo ka ngo mo we kono kaka yo ne gilwenyo ineno chi we ka ber ka lutu ne
wow again iwinyo eno itika neno Delight Multimedia YouTube channel ki TikTok bene kanyo chirati yen Delight podcast no ikubekedwa mano wakeli yuben wen kore ati DJ Silva watika waranyim kore for menene ni Martina Tieki of course yuben luo gold music atiki BSG Labon iwinyo we kitendo tetwa BSG Labon ikarma dong recording we mamegi recording we are yo kiken how was it so much kai chero bien it's okay
ati Becker's Fort yes
yes I met Doc of course Kina no mota after recording we mamegi and then young edong what were some challenges musically dong maybe in music piena okay neno we ucha water odong you need to go and perform Dano how was the community? Jolly Kede, Madoiti music. Now you need to go and perform. You need to do Jamie Mokene. How did you manage it?
Pepe oberu yot tual pien pole uno dano ber kan neno chalo no patwero. Kineno the condition, kineno the kind of disability mati kere. Polkar gineno ber ka locking an a lot from so many opportunities. Ber ka locking an wa gummo ma mi no bien. Pian dano ber ka doubt. Man year bu timu ni man year bu mielo ni man year bu yara bamwa ni man year ka wa contracting ko kuni da ka no medical problem mo kana ko da nga bu chuye so jeme eno beru ka yela deda bera yela until o ka mama I prove to people ni aramo timu ni
yes
madong down ne an year ka mielo we level any timu we gena ko man mielo timu ko man pie be yero be abamo mabe dano chako niang momot kita atwaro kere piano no pe be yor.
It's true. Piano we have po aneno your one of your performance men chalo bedo kapi 2002 in one of the clubs in Kampala ibero ka it was a freestyle. It was a freestyle. And we attended Aki Gankwan. And my first time when you were doing that.
Was that DV8, Sabrina's,
DV8
which one?
was a Cave 2000.
There was Cave 2000 around Arua Park.
Yes.
Then there was DV8 along Wilson Road near Cineplex.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, and we are poor from the father. No, Berukan
okay.
And then
I think that was the time I when Louis Gangkwan yes. Louis Gangkwan car kana daga no lor wa geto. Umira will ta kaskari. Umira will ayinyo ma will ta paket ta betie anong chupa gene. UG momere tiri betie abo ka vera bina di askari o ya paget.
Donyo.
Niano direct car ke kwilo loko ne wa direct ubere office ubere office wa cha bor mi digo so cha bor bo ngwan ka yanda tucho amiyo gine ka skar ma ba skar pe ngeyo ni direct no car ti office ando skar ya bu gida anda donyo dong ero a woro ko ti donyo ko manda yero mara kwanyo step a ti ari adek a chomi kum direct ni ke ko chui ucho ma ko che ko man udole che ko man wai. What do you think you're doing? Tipo como tu ke expelling ano kong picha biar rio.
Yes. Which school was that?
That was Appeal College.
And we are on Marne. I was a fan of. I used to go for those karaoke performance. DV8, Zax Pub.
Karachan was not even karaoke. You would call it live wire.
It was live wire.
It was more of
live wire miming. It was live wire.
Live wire miming were a bit very few.
Yes. So outside Gware, Uganda, who is your favorite artist?
Bro.
Outside Uganda.
Mama. Wow. I was so much in love with Busta Rhymes because of his word context. The context and the creativity in his music. And then I was so much in love with Buju Banton.
Exactly.
Yes.
I see Buju Banton.
Yeah, I used to do a lot of Buju Banton, the Kina Terra Fabulous.
Yes.
And most of those guys. So those were my guys, the Barry Salmons.
Which song pa Busta Rhymes ka wipo mano maro rin uye?
There was a lot more. But basically I used to only create mine. I was not so into picking.
This song recognizes friends of orphans in